difficult to explain working conditions because what this lawsuit has brought to light was a duality of on the one hand, people feeling like they're finally being validated and heard, people who had been feeling isolated in the past, who had experienced the things that the lawsuit has brought to light, and on the other hand, on the other side of that has also been an opportunity for education in terms of people who were not aware or privy to these things happening, managers and leadership all the way up to the top being made aware, and those who had been privy having an opportunity to introspect and determine, have they been an instrument to this kind of behavior, or did they stand by and allow this behavior to happen indirectly?
We believe that our companies can be better. We believe in the people around us. We believe in the games that we're making, and we want things to improve.